Hi guys and welcome back. I've got a seated Tai Chi session for you today. A few different movements, Tai Chi and Qigong based, and we're going to put them into a nice flow for you. So listen to your own body and just keep everything well within your comfort zone. I hope you enjoy this chair-based session. If you're doing this session sitting down, do remember to find a sturdy chair. We want to sit forward so that we can plant our feet firmly on the floor in front of us, about hip width apart. Think about your posture, so we're pulling up and lifting through the crown, pulling belly button through to spine for a good, strong, engaged core. First, we're doing some Tai Chi arm movements, then some leg movements, and putting them together into a flow. You can still follow along standing up, that's perfectly fine. We're going to start with balancing the chi, breathing in as the hands come up and breathing out as the hands go down. Lifting one hand to hold the mirror and turn the waist gently to follow that top hand, connecting mind to body by focusing on the moving hands. Opening the chest to scoop the arms around to hugging the tree, making sure that we're keeping that posture nice and tall as we do so. Lifting the arms higher to above the head, turn the palms, and we're holding up the heavens by stretching high. Pushing forwards, circling the hands to grab the rope, and visualize that pushing and pulling something heavy so that we get that natural resistance included into this movement. Alternating the hands across the body, we'll take that over to the sides with a gentle turn of the waist. And a power move, single punch forwards, lots of focus on those punching hands. Finally, circling the hands above the head and into that double punch. Let's give ourselves a little shake out. And remember that we need to keep our body nice and relaxed as we are practicing our Tai Chi movements. We're adding a heel raise with both feet. So this is using the lower body. We're trying to incorporate some exercise into our Tai Chi practice. Remember to keep that core engaged and lifting through the crown as we do so. Stepping the feet out to the side and bringing them back to that parallel stance. And stepping out on the other side. Then we're stepping the feet out and we're going to bring them back one at a time. Still working hard to keep that posture tall as we bring the feet in and out. Then this time we're jumping the feet out and stepping them back in. So a little bit of a progression here for that movement. Really engage the core as we're doing this to hold on to that good posture. Let's bring alternate feet forwards onto the heel. Progressing that into a leg kick forwards. Just shaking everything off again, keeping everything relaxed. Let's put all those movements together for our seated Tai Chi Flow. We're balancing the Chi with a heel raise. Stepping out as we turn and look towards the mirror. Heel raise as we bring the arms round to hug in the tree. And heel raise as we bring the hands up to holding up the heavens. Next, stepping or jumping out with our grabbing and pulling and pushing the rope. And stepping out to the sides. Let's punch and kick. And add the heel raise to our double punch. Finishing off with a stretch high to pressing palms, and then relax as we bring the hands down. Thanks again for joining me for Tai Chi and Qigong. I do hope you're enjoying the sessions. Let me know and remember to subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Bye.